In this video, we are going to see the new topic, the like percentage. So this is the first video of the percentage. Percentage means this is a symbol of the percentage. So percent means when we divide the value with 100, it is known as a percentage. This is the thing which is regarding to the title of the percentage. Now in this video, we are going to see the basic conceptual questions on the percentage, because while seeing this we get the one idea what is the actually percentage means, and in upcoming videos we can able to make the advanced questions. So at very first I have taken a question. This is the question is up to for these 4 questions. So the main question is A and B scored 90 and 120 marks in an exam. Now the sub question, first question, like by what percentage A scored less than B. So the fundamental is like A scored less than B means B is now with like 100 percentage. Now A is of with something of percentage. So like here in this row I am mentioning the percentage. Let in this row let us make the marks. So for B is of with 120 marks. So 120 marks is equals to 100 percentage. Then what is the percentage for 90 marks? So if 120 is of equals to 100 percentage, then 6 marks it is of like 5 percentage. So this is the column for 5 percentage, and this is for marks. Let it be for every 6 marks it is of 5 percentage when we simplifying this. So for 90 marks, then what is the percentage? Means to get 90 here we need to multiply with like 9 1 ja, and here remaining 3 which is of 5 ja, 6 5 ja. Again when we multiply same 15 with this percentage, we are going to get for 90% the how much it is of percentage, like 15 5 ja, which is of 75 percentage. So here the A is of with 75 percentage. So he asked that like what is the percentage A scored less than B. So A scored less than B like 25 percentage less than B. So now which is in the option C. Now let us see the second question. The second question is like by what percentage B scored more than the A. Like if A is of like, let us make same things like percentage here 100 percentage. Then what is the percentage of B which is more than the A? Like here I am mentioning the marks in this row. So now A is of with 90 marks. So like for 90 marks it is of 100 percentage. Then B is of with 120 marks. So we need to find the percentage for the 120 marks. Suppose A is of with 90 marks means every 9 marks it is of like 10 percentage. Now for 1 mark it is of like 10 by 9 percentage. For 120, 10 by 9 into 120 percentage. When we simplify this we are going to get as 400 by 3 percentage. He asked like what is the percentage A scored more than B. So which is of like 400 by 3 minus 100, which is of 400 minus 300 by 3. Now which is equals to 100 by 3 percentage. When we simplify this, which is of equals to 33 1 by 3 percentage. This is in the option B. The third question is like what is the percentage of B is A. So while asking this, if this means B is of now 100 percentage, then what is the percentage of A in this B? So this is the row for the percentage and this is the for marks. So the marks is for B it is of with 120 marks. We need to find the percentage for the A. So E is of with 90 marks. If 120 marks is of 100 percentage, then here we simplify the whole thing in here, like for 90 marks it is of with 75 percentage. So what is the percent of A, what is the percent of B is A, means in the percentage of B what is the percentage of A. So E is of percentage with 75 for 90 marks. So it is a percentage like 75%, which is in the option C. Now let us move to the fourth question. The fourth question is like, what is the percentage of A is B? So in the percentage of the A, what is the percentage of B? So if A is of like 100%, then we need to find for B what is the percentage. So in this row it is of like percentage, here is the marks. So A is of like 90 marks, then B is of like 120 marks. Suppose for 90 marks it is of like 100%. What is the value for 120 marks means, here we simplified the thing here like 400 by 3%. So this is the answer of 400 by 3% for B in the A, which is in the option A. The second question of this video is like, A is 40% more than B. Let the first condition is like, if A is 40% more than B means, if B is of like 100%, then A is of like 140%. Then you can see now, then by what percentage B is less than A. Now in the second condition it is changing, like if A is of 100%, then what is the value of B? So we need to find the what is the value of the B. If A is of 100%, then we need to find the what is the value of B which is less than the A. At first condition, the 140 is of equals to 100. So you can check out here, the 140 is of equals to 100. Then we need to find the what is the value of the 100 to the second condition. So we need to find here. So when we simplify this, it is of like 1% in the first condition is equals to 5 by 7% in the second condition. Now for 100%, here we need to multiply with first condition with 100, and to get the percentage value for the second condition also we need to multiply with 100. Like 100 is of equals to 5 by 7 into 100. So when we multiply this, which is of equals to 500 by 7 in the second condition, so for 100% is of equals to 500 by 7. So 100 minus 500 by 7, which is of equals to 700 minus 500 by 7, which is of equals to 200 by 7. Percentage is the difference from the A to B. So this is the answer to the question, which is in the option B. The question is like, if a number decreases by 16 by 3%, so like it is of like 100%, then if it is decreased to 100 minus 16 by 3%, then it will be becomes 545. So it is of equals to 545. So the decreased one is of equals to 545. Find the original number. So this is the row for the numbers and this is for the percentage. Now we need to find this one. We simplify this 16 by 3, which is of equals to 16 3 into 16, which is of equals to 48. 48 plus 2, which is of 50 by 3%. So we need to find 100 minus 50 by 3%, of equals to 250 by 3%. Now 250 by 3% is of equals to 545. Then we need to calculate for 100%. Now the final thing is, we need to calculate for the 100%, what is the value like this. So when we simplify this, this is going to equal like 240 is of equals to 545 into 3. While observing this, these two are the multiples of 5, like 5 is 25 and remaining is 10, like 50 5 into 50, which is of 250, and which is of equals to 109 into 3. So the 50 is of equals to 109 into 3. Now for 100, to get the 100% of value, here we need to multiply with 2 and here also with 2. So this is of equals to 109 into 3 into 2. When we calculate the multiplication of this value, for calculating the multiplication to this, which is of equals to 654, here I have done the multiplication. So for 100%, it is of equals to 654, which is in the option.